Hello everyone. Are you planning to visit Dubai? In this video, I will guide you through the process of applying for Dubai Visitor Visa online in 2023. You will learn how to access the official visa application portal, submit the requirements, documents, and complete the application. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So basically guys, in this video, I will show you three main websites that will help you to get that touristic visa for your own self. And also I will go with you a lot of informations of what documents you need and of course what kind of countries that doesn't really need visa to get to the Emirates or Dubai without it. So let's get started with the first website, which is Emirates.com, which is the official website for booking flights using the Emirates airplanes. So here, as you can see, what I'm going to do is simply click on Manage, as you may see and notice in this menu, and then click on Visa and Passport. And as you may notice, there is here UAE e-visas. Click on it. So once you are clicking on it, all you have to do next is simply go down and here you will find this table of contents. So here, visa on arrival, prearranged UAE visas, sponsoring someone to visit the UAE, and contact information. So here what I'm going to do is actually go through all of these one by one and to show you in case you were one of these countries, you don't really have to get some visas or you have to get some visas, the pricing, etc. So let's start with 30-day visit eligibility. So if you are a passport holder of the below country or territory, no advance visa arrangement is or are required to visit this country. So simply disembark your flights at Dubai International and proceed to immigration, where your passport will be stamped with a 30-day visit visa free of charge. So you will not have any charge and you will have a visa for free. So you don't really have to do anything in case you were one of these countries, which are Andorra, Australia, Brunei, Canada, China, Hong Kong, China, Japan, Kazakhstan, Macau, China, Malaysia, Mauritius, Monaco, New Zealand, Republic of Ireland, San Marino, Singapore, Ukraine, United Kingdom, and Northern Ireland, United States of America, and Vatican City. So these territories, you don't really have to get any visa for going to Dubai. Now for the 19, and also this is only for 30 days, so put that in mind. Now for the 90 visit eligibility, so if you are a passport holder of one of the below countries or territories, your passport will be stamped with a multiple entry 90-day visit visa that's valid for 6 months from the date of issue. And for a stay of 90 days in total, citizens of the below European countries are also entitled to apply for a pre-arranged visit visa if their 90-day visa on arrival has been fully utilized. So for the first 90 day, you don't really have to get it, but unless you pass this 90 day, you will have to get the visa. And later on, I will show you the prices and how to get it and what are the documents that you need. So these are like the main countries. I'm not going to say all of them, but yeah, you can take a screenshot, guys, pause this video and make sure to read all of that and check if your country is in here. So these are the countries. I'm going to go slowly in here so you can guys check them out. So here you go. And now I'm going to the next step, which is the 180-day visit eligibility. So if you hold a Mexican passport, you are eligible for a multiple entry 180-day visit visa that's valid for 6 months from the date of issue and for a stay of 180 days in total. Basically for this 6 month what did they mean? So let's say for example that you have a 180-day visit for free. So here I'm going to get it a calculator. So here I'm going to divide this on 3, as you can see. So if not 3, sorry guys, what? All right, 30, here we go. So 180 is basically 6 months. So you can't really, for example, go and visit Dubai for 30 days and then go back to your country and then come back after a month to Dubai and manage to do all of these 180 days. No, you have to stay all of these 180 days because 180 days is basically 6 months. If you pass the 6 month, you will no longer have this 180 days. The same goes for the below or the before we talked about, which is 90 days and the 30 days. These are all stuff with limited dates. So here, as you can see, 6 months. So for example, let's say that you went to Dubai in January. You can't really go back into it in July. And even though if you have like multiple days left in your visa. So put that in mind. And now let's go and check the prearranged UAE visas. So here there is the visa type. Here there is the 48-hour visa, which is approximately about $10, and there is no extendable extension, so you can't really extend it more than that. You have to stay only for 48 hours and then leave the territory. You have also the duration of it or the visa type, which is 96 hour, which is 4 days from arrival date. So you can stay 4 days more after you arrive, and it will cost you around $49, and you don't have the extension to actually extend the date. You have the tourist short term, which is 30 days from arrival date, which is a month. It will cost you around $90, and in case you'd like to extend it, you can extend it for 230. There is tourist short term multiple entry, which is, for example, the same thing, which is 30 days, but you're not going to stay in the country for this 30 days, all of it. For example, you are going to stay 5 days and then go back to another country and then come back for another 5 days until you complete the 30 days in total. So in that case, you are going for the tourist short-term multiple entry, which is around 136, and you can extend it as well. There is the tourist long-term, which is 60 days, which is about 2 months single entry, which is about 177, and the tourist long-term multiple entry, which is for 231, and these are the same amount of money that you have to pay to extend them, so $230. Here we are going to check the documents that are necessary for you to get it. So first of all, you have to get a color photograph of applicant, so a photograph of you which is colored, color copy of applicant's passport. The passport must be valid for at least 3 months. The original application from form available at all Emirates ticketing offices can be accessed in Arabic or English depending on the applicant's nationality. You can download the English or Arabic application from here. And a copy of the Emirates ticket. So you have to get an Emirates ticket, original application form that you can install it through their application, which is in English or Arabic, and your color copy of application, passport of applicant's passport, and a color photograph of applicants. And additional documents are required for visitors of some countries, like Afghanistan, you need to have the national ID card, Iraq, national ID card, Pakistan, national ID card, and Iran, the national ID card as well. So here are the documents. And for the rules and the conditions, in case you are interested in them, the visa fees must be paid upon application. Additional visa processing fees apply. The passenger must travel to and from Dubai on Emirates or codeshare flights only. So you can't really go to Dubai using any other travel companies or airplanes companies. You only need one of these, so Emirates or codeshare flights. Visa fees are non-refundable. The ticket is non-refundable if the visa has been issued and utilized. Visa processing time is approximately 3 to 4 working days. Entry into the UAE is subject to immigration approval. All visas are valid to enter Dubai for 60 days from the date of issue, except the 96-hour and 48-hour visas, which are valid for 30 days from the date of issue. And here, guys, I have two other websites which are this Amer and UAE visas. You can get here your visas instantly using their application. They will help you a lot. So you are going to communicate with the company that will get you the visa. So here are the pricings. It can be more expensive than getting it through this website, but it will be immediate. And the processing time will be around 24 hours to 2 to 4 days. So this is like the pricing that they have, which is pretty expensive if I went here and try to take it to USD. Yeah, it is 435, while here you can get it for like the half of the price. So yeah, this is for those who doesn't know how to get the visas, and this one as well. So in general, you can use these three websites. You can save them in your PC and use them later on for your own good. So thank you guys for watching till now, and see you guys in the next tutorial.